welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I haven't done this in a long time, and now that in Windows 11 it is fixed for the Windows themes to be actually available through the Microsoft Store, and I get all week long comments about how beautiful people find the pictures I have. Here's the theme pick for this week, May 22nd, 2022. 23rd, sorry. So this is the new picture, the new theme that I've chosen. It is available for Windows 11 and Windows 10. So what you need to do, simply go to your Settings app. So in your Settings app, you're going to go into Personalization, go into Themes, and click Get More Themes in the Microsoft Store. It's a little different in Windows 11, but you have the same options available. Here, what you need to find is a theme that's called Swimming Holes. Now, it's somewhere in here. And when you go down, it was pretty far down in the list. I was looking at all the different themes that were available. But at some point, you'll find the app called Swimming Holes. And once you do, Swimming Holes, here it is. Click on it and click Get to have it on your PC. Once you get it, then it's downloaded and all. Just open. It's going to bring you to a themes page. You will need to actually double click on it to make it active. Once it's active, the things to change, remember, in the background, you will have one change the picture, change 1 minute to 1 hour, unless you want to have stuttering, because especially if you're a gamer, that picture changing every minute might actually do some stuttering on your Windows PC. A lot of people don't realize that their background picture changing so fast sometimes creates little problems on some PCs. So I put every hour, something like that. It's not much of a problem. Choose whatever length you want. And in the colors, what I like, if you want to do the same, is to automatically pick an accent color from the background. So everything, including your taskbar, your start menu, everything's going to follow a color theme that goes with the background color. And make sure you choose Start Taskbar Action and title bars and Windows borders for this to work. And once that is done, you have beautiful pictures that are available through your for your background. So this is always cool, and lots of really nice stuff in here that might make you dream of going somewhere on a trip. So cool background pictures once again. So this is the themes for the week. Swimming Holes in the Microsoft Store, and you can have that for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.